Go.
Good morning, Sir James. We talked yesterday on the telephone, just briefly, less than 5 minutes, and you had sent me a confirming email asking me to be in Winnipeg at your office on Monday to meet and talk about some of the challenges that you are facing. Your general superintendent wants to meet with me, and you want to do a test on what this humble citizen knows. And if I may, here's what you're looking for. I did apply to a job posting that you had as a project manager, but in a lot of cases, me using a shotgun approach, a lot of times project managers and construction superintendents with a lot of experience sometimes fill both roles, and certainly with certainty I can fill both. But so here's what you're saying. You're saying we're looking for an experienced project manager who is equally at home in the mud, reading site logistics, and at the desk running a cost variance report. I have a various business degrees as well. I have business management diploma as well. But anyways, okay, the role demands both. I prefer to be in the mud. I want mud on my boots, not floor wax from an office. Okay? Anyhow, okay, if you're strong in the field but allergic to the numbers, or sharp on the numbers but unwilling to leave the trailer, this is not the role for you. We want a rare builder who refuses to choose that. Now, the rare builder, I have been over the years, I have been involved in at least 1,000 separate buildings, at least, maybe more. Okay, the reality of the role, okay, at Bobsled, which is your company, you profess to be an operational linchpin. You hold ultimate accountability to the Big Four. Safety, I'm also an NSCO, schedule, cost, and quality. You will be close to field operations, actively supporting your site superintendents and clearing obstacles before they derail the master schedule. When I'm on the job, you don't have any obstacles. Everything will go smoothly. So we're doing this video clip, and all I want to say is if you want a guy in the field, you found him. That's me. Thank you.